kind of airy way. And it just didn't come across the way that song is meant to be. And I don't really want to say what the song's about, but that song's about...
You put her back, Mommy. You're just not sitting down for nothing. Lay back down, Jessie.
You're a baby. Lay down, you're a baby. You're a baby. Lay down. Oh, nice.
Your voice does sound really good. Again, it's song choice. It's going to be key for you. Trying to figure out which song is best suited to the really nice.
Good girl. Thank you. Lay down.
I recall a day in the top 200 where I said, I think you need to be grittier, tougher, and more in the moment. And some people disagreed in that moment. But you may, and, that's what I was going to say. You may not be that, and maybe in your own song, it works. So hard to
You're supposed to be a baby. Lay down.
I think you belong in the top 10 eventually, but you've got to find a way to match who you are with what you're saying. So far, it has not come across.
Yeah, that's it.